Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at binary searches. Now what is a search? A search is when I want to find an item or a target in a list or an array of items. So to understand how a binary search works, let's first look at a linear search. Now linear search is, as the name suggests, we look at each item in turn till we find our target. So here we can see in my example, I've got a target of 3 and I want to find the number 3 in this list of 6 items. So what I do is I simply look through each one in turn till I find my target. It doesn't matter if the list is in order or not. I will eventually find my target if it actually exists in the list. Now this is all very well and good, but imagine it was a bigger list, say 200-300 numbers, and the target was towards the end of that list. Then this may take some considerable time to do. The binary search. Here I've got a target of 22 and a much bigger list of items. Now the number 22 is in the 7th position in this list. So what I do is I go for the middle of the list. Now here we can see the number 31. I've reached number 31. Now I know 31 is bigger than 22, so I can discount all the numbers that are to the right of 31 because they're all bigger than 22. And the reason I can do that is because the list is in order. Again, go for the middle item. 11 is smaller than 22, so I can discount all the numbers that are to the left of 11. Go for the middle item again. 17 is smaller than 22, so I can discount all the numbers that are to the left of that item until I reach my target. Now the way this works is the numbers need to be in order for this to work, otherwise it doesn't work at all. And we can see that I did that in a few items and a few goes rather than 7 goes it would have taken with a linear search. So it is much faster. The problem is that the list needs to be in order. Now, it's just worth noting, for a small list, it wouldn't matter which method I chose because they would both be as fast as each other. But for a bigger list, the binary search is much more efficient. So that is how a binary search works. And I want to say thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye bye.